So, long story short, my husband and I shared a financial success with a family member. And it was at a Thanksgiving event, and this person became very quiet afterwards. And shortly after, my husband and I were accused of financially taking advantage of another family member. And we were just like, both, what? This financial success we did on our own. We didn't get help from anyone. We didn't take advantage of anyone, and we didn't understand where this was coming from. So we realized that sharing our successes with others can bring out some really interesting behaviors. So years pass and this person dies. And it turns out that my husband and I were not the ones financially taking advantage of this person. The person who accused us of exactly that was doing exactly that. So we learn to keep some of our successes to ourselves. Keeping your personal life private has so many benefits that extend beyond just protecting ourselves from potential harm or jealousy or envy or accusation.